In the following video, you will see the process of conducting a long-term ECG with the SeekerGuard Holter from Seeker. You can connect and charge the SeekerGuard Holter via the Base 1 or Base 6 with the Seeker diagnostic software. Base 6 can handle up to 6 devices and expand as needed based on your PC setup. Prepare the recording in the long-term ECG project by starting the recording device. If multiple devices are connected, the selected device will blink. After creating or importing patient data, choose the lead type, Seeker Wing or ECG Cable Guard 4. Under Recorder Start, choose to start immediately, later, or at a set time. Select the desired ECG recording duration and begin the recording. Remove the SeekerGuard Holter from the base. Depending on the selected lead type, attach the corresponding measurement components. Place the ECG on the patient and ensure beforehand that the patient's chest is free of hair and other residues. Once the device detects a signal, the ECG symbol turns green. You can also monitor this via the monitoring system. If you chose to start later, double tap to begin. The blinking ECG symbol and sound confirm that the measurement has successfully started. This is useful for preparing multiple devices in advance. When patients arrive, select their assigned device in the Guard Holter viewer. The assigned device will blink continuously. While the patient goes about their daily activities and the measurement is in progress, they can mark any abnormalities they wish to report to the doctor by tapping the ECG once. After each marking, the patient receives an audible signal as feedback. After 24 or 72 hours, the patient returns to the practice. Now remove the ECG. Disinfect the device and clean the accessories. To read the data, place the device in the base and select Read Recording Device in the software.